They're soft and super moist from tossing with cranberries. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, we're going to show you how to make the next holiday recipe is the glazed cranberry bread. First, you want to start by preheat your oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You're going to take 9.3 by 5.2 by 2.7 inch loaf pan. Spray it with nonstick cooking spray, and then line the sides and bottom of the pan with 2 sheets of parchment paper to stick it in. That way it will be easy to lift up and release. Let's go on for the bread. In a large bowl, combine 2 large eggs, have that at room temperature, half a cup of vegetable oil. We're using pure vegetable oil. We're also going to put 1 cup of whole milk or non-fat plain Greek yogurt. We're going to be using 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. This is going to be a nice lemony taste and tangy look. You can also try with pure orange extract, or you can zest it with 1 orange because you love to have with oranges. Then you want to just beat it over, and don't forget to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then you want to stir it around with a whisk, make sure it's well combined. Just beat the eggs inside and set it aside for a moment ahead. Moving on from dry ingredients, in a separate bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to follow by 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, then a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and stir it around with a whisk. Now you want to add the flour mixture to the wet and keep stirring to form into a nice smooth batter. Now you want to gradually add in the berries. You're going to put it in 2 cups of fresh or frozen cranberries. We like to use the brand name Ocean Spray. It has the fresh premium cranberries. This packet, it has only 12 ounces. It measures only 2 cups. When you're using fresh berries, you have to wash and rinse before use. Later, if you're using frozen cranberries, you don't need to overthaw on the counter. Let's toss those cranberries inside the batter, and you want to fold it in with a rubber spatula. You just have to switch from the whisk to the rubber spatula before you got to fold it into the batter. Once you fold the cranberries inside the batter, you're going to pour it into the prepared pan. We like to decide to use an ice cream scooper. That will easy to spoon into the prepared pan instead of pouring with a heavy bowl, but that will work helpfully. You want to spread it evenly with the back of the spoon or an offset spatula. And you want to bake it for 1 hour and 5 minutes in the oven for a total of 65 minutes. Always make sure to watch it carefully in the oven to keep an eye on it until golden brown. After it has been 65 minutes, take it out of the oven. Carefully lift up with parchment, put it on a wire rack, then quickly peel off the parchment paper very carefully while still hot, and let it cool for 30 minutes before transfer on a platter. Using the toothpick or a cake tester to insert in the center of the bread to check with, and it comes out clean. Last but not least, the glaze. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of confectioner sugar, 2 tablespoons of low-fat milk. Stir that around to give it a little bit of pasty. And we like to add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And you want to keep stirring all the way around to give a nice glossy-like ganache. And now for assembly. Drizzle the glaze on top of the warm bread. The glaze can easily cover and drip down on the platter just a little bit. Once after you glaze the bread, slice it up using a serrated knife and ready to serve. We're going to give you a closer look at the cranberries inside the bread. You can see the cranberries, just how soury and just tangy look, and you can actually smell it inside the bread. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of cranberries. Hopefully it tastes great. And we tell you guys, this cranberry bread is going to be so delicious. Hopefully you get to be joy for the holiday season. And here's the finish, glazed cranberry bread. Happy holidays! Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.